Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into AWeber affiliate program for autoresponder referrals, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. Type in the AWeber website URL in the address bar. Press enter to navigate to the AWeber homepage. Once on the homepage, locate the login button at the top right corner. Click on the login button to be redirected to the login page. On the login page, you will see fields for your email and password. Enter the email address associated with your AWeber account. Next, type your password into the password field. If you wish to stay logged in, check the Remember Me box. After entering your credentials, click on the login button. You will now be redirected to your AWeber dashboard. Look for the affiliate program link in the main menu or side navigation. Click on the affiliate program link to access your affiliate dashboard. Here, you can view your referrals, earnings, and promotional materials. If you encounter any issues, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password if necessary. Once logged in, explore the various resources AWeber offers for affiliates. This will help you maximize your referrals and earnings. You are now successfully logged into the AWeber affiliate program. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.